everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 2463 Earl Grey Avenue, and we're in Pickering. That's right, we've got this detached double-car garage home. We got 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, fully finished basement with a walkout, this awesome deck, and that amazing ravine lot. Why don't you guys go in, take a look around, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. Hey, I'm over here. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour of that property. I would love to hear what you guys think about it. Obviously, I can't hear you, so you're gonna have to leave your comments below. While you're doing that, you might as well like it, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Who knows, they might wanna move here. All right, guys, until next time, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.